If you're anything like me, you like to keep up on current trends, and that's exactly what we're doing today in the second installment of Outdoor Living Designed Around You. Today we bring you the hottest trends in outdoor decor. I'm your approved Home Pros host, Jordan Fraser, here again at the beautiful System Pavers Design Center, joined again by Phoebe Chongchua, System Pavers outdoor living expert. Thank you so much for joining us again.
Thanks so much, Jordan. I have been looking forward to this episode because there are so many exciting things happening right now in outdoor decor. I could talk about this subject forever. But to keep it simple for all of you, I've broken it down into 3 key trends to help you create a beautiful, functional outdoor space.
I love it. What are the 3 main areas that we're going to dive into?
First, we'll talk about selecting outdoor furniture, then fabric choices, and finally, globally inspired decor.
Great, let's get started on outdoor furniture.
Absolutely. What we have been seeing and what we'll continue to see is the use of furniture pieces that are beautiful enough to create a seamless transition from your interior to your exterior. And ultimately, it makes it more comfortable for you to spend more time outside.
Which makes so much sense because with the great weather here in Southern California, our outdoor spaces should really just be an extension of our indoor living spaces.
That's exactly right. And by using thicker cushions on outdoor chairs and couches, real wood tables, and even having a more permanent piece such as a fireplace installed will really blur the indoor-outdoor feeling.
So does that apply to the quality of the furniture and the aesthetic?
It really does. You want to look for full-scale weatherproof furniture with plush cushions.
That brings us to our second tip. When choosing fabrics and textiles, bold pops of color and complementary patterns are back. We have some examples here.
Yeah.
You want to throw these outside. We were seeing a lot of grays and neutral colors for a while, and while that's a really great look, I'm really happy to see that livelier colors and fun patterns are coming back with vengeance.
Well, there's so much to do with color, and we're going to get into that. If you select furniture that is inviting, that's comfortable, but also durable, of course, you know it's going to be outside, it'll make the most of your space, and it'll feel like your indoors transitions seamlessly to the outside.
And I know there are some wonderful furniture lines out there that look great and are durable for the outdoors that come in a variety of price points. So it sounds like it's time for us to go furniture shopping.
Yes, it is my favorite part. And as you can see here, pairing a bold pattern with a solid color, yep, just like that, can boost the overall look and feel of the space without making it seem overwhelming. But you do want to keep in mind that these should be outdoor rated fabrics because after all, they're going to be outside and they're going to take a beating from the sun and rain.
Absolutely. So I was just thinking this is a great opportunity for someone who's been using a lot of neutral tones inside to be a little bit more daring outside because they could use these bolder pops of colors and these patterns. What do you think?
Oh, absolutely. Let's add some flair to your outdoor furniture and include patterned accents throughout your remaining outdoor living space in all your favorite bright colors. Now, don't think that the furniture is your only opportunity to add color, though.
Ooh, I think this is a spoiler. Is this part of our third tip?
Spoiler alert!
Is this part of the third tip?
Here we go. It's last but not least for today is to channel your inner traveler. Now, this is fun. At least get your sense of wanderlust with globally inspired decor.
Now, I love this one because I travel a lot and I always see items that I'd love to own. For example, a beautiful urn or a pot, and I just find that I can never find the right place for it. So the outdoor landscape is so much more forgiving for blending in these different styles from different places.
That's right. Well, even things like this, a blanket or a sarong from your favorite trip can be used. So it just adds so much color and just a vibrancy to the area.
Pieces.
Absolutely. So your favorite themes from your most loved travel destinations in the form of a throw blanket, carvings, or anything that you've brought back from your travels, but just don't know exactly where it fits in your home, you can put it almost anywhere and make it blend in.
I love these small scale suggestions. Do you have any tips for incorporating larger or more permanent features?
Absolutely. On the large scale, you could install tile throughout your backyard that reminds you of, say, your trip to Mexico, or how about this? One of my favorite places, Italy. Add a water feature that brings you back to that romantic moment in Tuscany, if you will.
Beautiful.
Possibilities with this tip are really endless. If there's a piece you love, there's a way it can be thoughtfully incorporated to enhance your design. It's your space, and it should be a reflection of both your style and perhaps most important, your personality.
Thank you so much, Phoebe, for these incredible 3 outdoor living trends. You at home, remember to select outdoor furniture worthy of your indoor style. Don't be afraid of bold pops of color and pattern, and channel your inner traveler by using globally inspired elements. Thanks again to Phoebe and System Pavers for inviting us to this beautiful design center. Can't wait for our next episode to learn the rest of today's hottest outdoor living trends.